mistake proofing. Poke-yoke is a Japanese term, right? It is any mechanism in a process that helps an equipment equipment operator avoid mistakes and avoid defects by preventing or by correcting or drawing attention to human errors as and when they occur. The concept was formalized and the term adopted by Shigeo Shingo as part of the TPS. What is TPS? TPS means, what is TPS?
Toyota Production System.
TPS stands for Toyota Production System. Right. And see here, there are two stoves here, right? And the first one, the layout is rectangular. Here, stove B, the layout is curved. Which is advantageous? Is the rectangular one or the curved one? Which is advantageous, do you think? Will you go for A or you will go for B?
B, sir.
B. You know why? Because B, the particular burner or the stove can be easily identified with the knob here. The first knob refers to the first stove. The second for the second one. Whereas here I am little confused. So I may do mistakes here. So the tendency of committing a mistake is more, but here the tendency of committing the mistake is less. These kind of small design changes, small mechanisms are called poke-yoke. Got it? Now what is the poke-yoke here? The first one, when I do the drilling, I want to drill it for 10 mm. I drill it for 10 mm. I may go for beyond also. I may drill up to 11 mm also. There is no prevention here. But now, do you see a stopper here in the second attachment, second drilling machine?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
no? So now, when the operator want to drill, that stopper is already set that the drill bit can go only up to 10 mm. And now what happened? The drilling cannot go beyond 10 mm. So the mistake is prevented by the design. So can I call this as poke-yoke? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is a poke-yoke mechanism. So these kind of small improvements are called poke-yoke projects. And now here a next level of poke-yoke. There is a stopper, so the drill bit cannot go beyond 10 mm. And over and above, as the drill bit reaches the 10 mm depth, a light will also glow, or a buzzer will also blow. As a result, operator can be alerted and then he will stop feeding further. So this is how the poke-yoke helps in preventing failure. So these kind of adapters, you can't insert the adapter in a wrong way. So which is the correct which is the one which comes with the design poke-yoke? The second one comes with the design poke-yoke. You can't change the positions of the adapter. Only in this particular position it will work. That's a poke-yoke. In your mobile phone, you can place the SIM card only in a particular direction. If you change the direction, the SIM card will not fit. What is that called? That is again a poke-yoke. So I write the name of the cable ends with the mouse, power, and this is again a poke-yoke idea. That will minimize the wasting time. There are three types of poke-yoke: shutdown poke-yoke, control poke-yoke, warning poke-yoke. Shutdown poke-yoke means it will not allow you to proceed, as well as it will completely switch off the system. For example, I put a ATM card and then I insert the PIN number wrongly more than 3 times. What will happen to my credit card? My credit card will be blocked. Why they block? Because the system predicts that someone other than you is trying to misuse your card, so they block the card completely. Such kind of mechanisms are called shutdown poke-yoke. I run a machine in a wrong way. Now what happened? The machine will completely shut down itself. Because when I run the machine in a wrong way, let us say I don't close the shutter, I run the machine. Definitely no, some accidents possibilities are there. So a machine will automatically shut down. I need to properly close my the shutters and set the machine properly. Then only I will run. So such things are called what? Shutdown Pokeyoke. Now control Pokeyoke. Control Pokeyoke means it will not allow me to move on to the next step. Like I already told you, the car seat belt. I don't wear the car seat belt and car will not allow me to start the engine. But when I wear the seat belt, it will allow me to start the engine. What is that Pokeyoke called? Control Pokeyoke. Sometimes what happens, car will allow me to start the engine, but it will keep on giving me an alarm because I don't put the seat belt. That is called warning Pokeyoke. I don't wear the seat belt. Car is allowing me to start the car. Car is also not giving me any alarm. That means the design is poor. There is no defect prevention. There is no defect prevention mechanism in the design. Design is weaker. So any design, any process with more number of Pokeyokes ensures lesser failure. This is the advantage of Pokeyoke. Understood? What is Pokeyoke?
Yes, sir.